morning, everyone. It's 7:30 in Costa Rica. We just woke up last night. It was the hardest drive that I took. The road was foggy as hell, and so we were so tired. So we just came to our hotel and just went to sleep. So right now we're gonna show you guys how the hotel room is.
Let's start from the door. So here's the front door. You walk in and here's your key. You place your key right here. They have hand sanitizer dispenser right there. One thing I have noticed, the ceiling is super high. I love that. As you walk in, this is the bathroom. They have a nice, beautiful big mirror. This is bathroom, hair dryer right here, and then toilet. And right on the other side is the shower. So the shower is separate from the bathroom. Now let's go to the bedroom. So this is the table they have. We already messed it up with all of our stuff. But they just had 2 cups, and this is another sitting area, but this is packed with our stuff right now. And inside underneath the table, we have a mini fridge and a few more cabinets. And these are the beds. So we got 1 twin bed, 1 single bed. Of course, no one used the single bed, but if you guys come in 3, is better for you, so you save some money. But for us, it was just 2 of us, and the bed was super comfy. It was one of the nicest hotel beds. And also the pillows. I always have trouble sleeping on the hotel pillows or anywhere pillow but my home, but these pillows were really nice to sleep on, so I really loved that about them. I'm gonna move the curtain so you all can see. And we have a nice balcony. So on the balcony you have another sofa, chair, and then this view. Was our villa right here, and that's the outside. Look at the outside. Something else, but look at this view. It is so beautiful. That is beautiful. So we are outside of the restaurant and look at the view. I'm guessing that's the volcano right there, but you can't see it because it's all covered in clouds. So they gave you these gloves when you get the food. Let's see what they have now. Maybe some rice. And they have chicken curry. I'm gonna get some of that. Put it right beside my rice. Let's try the rice first. I think it has beans. Yeah, bean rice. I had bean rice in Puerto Rico. Not the same, but it's different and it's nice. This is the chicken curry. It looks pretty mild. Goes perfectly with the rice. So good. So good. They fry it. Fried with their spices. There's the green onion. Sweet. Just like ripe banana, not green banana. Had to get some rice to get my taste back. This is a veggie burrito. Looks like they have cabbage and everything all inside. I'm getting some sauce with that. This is the chipotle sauce, I think. I'm gonna try it with the sauce. I'll come back with my second plate of rice. But they were so good and we both wanted more. We're gonna eat the pancake and the eggs. Look at this road. Oh my god. As we were driving by to the nearest waterfall in here, I saw this cute coconut shop and I knew I had to get one because these kind of coconut stores are nowhere to be found in USA.
Thank you.
Oh my god. So this is the parking lot. We gotta get our ticket right from there. Gracias.
For two people, that would be $36. Auricular is $22,600. Now you guys will show this ticket to my coworker, and he will give you your wristband, right?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
They have the restaurants right here, and they have a souvenir shop, restaurant. So if you get hungry or you need something, you can just get it from here. This is the butterfly garden.
This waterfall, the energy you feel right here is so freaking unreal.
So we're right in front of the Fortuna Waterfall. So look how magical it is from here. So
The energy right here is unreal. It's so unreal. We still have a few more steps to go, but we can just do it.
Yeah, so this is an observation deck, so you can just take a good look at the waterfall. So it's pretty amazing. The sound, the atmosphere, everything. Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
We're about to get into the water first. It's slippery as hell.
Oh, it's freezing cold.
It's good now. This place just started getting sunny and we are about to head out from this place. Try to find our next destination.
So we are back to the trail again, the 500 steps to go upward the where we came. And we're down at the waterfall. This is undoubtedly the best one I've seen till now, the waterfall. Good thing that we bought a water bottle, so it's really coming handy right now when we're going up. This cool thing they put here. So you got water and soap, and you got a little table here. Hopefully we're almost there. Going up is as much difficult as it was so easy going down. It's more than that. We are finally at the end of the steps. Yep.
So it's just 500 steps. I'm pretty sure for people who hike regularly, it'll take them about 20 minutes. But people like me and Bashar, we're not fit at all.
The thing
It
is,
takes forever.
I didn't even read that when we were entering the trail. It just stop before entering the trail.
So when we got out in the morning, I was really trying to see the volcano, but it was all covered with cloud, so I couldn't see it. Now that the cloud is moving out slowly, look at that. So as we were driving by, I saw people were just standing here and taking pictures, and look what they're taking picture with is the volcano. The whole volcano, and the head is covered in cloud. I really wish the cloud would just go away for a second so we could see the whole volcano. It is so beautiful. I think this is way bigger than the other one.
Yeah.
That's expensive, right?
Yeah. How much was that? 1,000. Other one?
This is somewhere, right?
How is it?
Same kind of thing.
চল ওগুলা কি এদের কোনো ফুড নাই আপনার নারিকেল এটা কি
It is
Chips.
ceviche. Chips ka ba? Chips ka ba? Ceviche is seafood.